Okay guys, good
Long
morning.
signal and Q.
We see the market trying to go lower, but as you can see, the price action is to the upside. And well, we see the market broke the second ATR, but I didn't like that. We didn't have any imbalance here, so no, it was like the market could just reverse from here and stop me out. So we can go long here. We see the high frequency trading triangle here, and which is a high momentum activity, which is done by the algorithms and the big guys. So, and we have 818 contracts long here. We have 1300 contracts long here. Okay, so still we don't have any imbalances on the ES. Market has been very slow in the ES and the micro ES. We see the ultra bonds going down. We can expect the market to go to the first ATR, and I would like to see the reaction there because the market can just go hit the ATR and in reverse. So we're gonna wait and see what's gonna happen. I hope this trade works. We are in a very good spot. It can be a very oversold situation here. So we'll wait and see. Okay, price is starting to go up. We see correlation dots. Okay, in all the three instruments, which is a good sign that the trade can work. Okay, so we're still holding this trade, guys. Let's see. I'm a little bit concerned of what we can find here in the ATR. Maybe lots of sellers here with limit orders. Okay, so we're gonna wait and see. We continue in this trade, guys. Okay, so still need the trade, guys. No signs of reversals right now. Okay, up 400 here, but still be very close to the entry. We're getting to the ATR. I would like to see the reaction of the tape here. Okay, we see more buyers to 50. See more buyers in the tape. Very low volume, guys. Okay, we see more buyers in the
Long
tape.
signal and Q.
There we go. See no signs of sellers here. Okay, we're gonna
Long
catch.
signal and Q.
Gonna exit one lot here.
Long signal and Q. Long signal ES.
Okay,
Long
750.
signal ES.
Okay, buyers in the tape. They do want a breakout. Okay, I'm gonna close this trade, guys. Okay, 700 bucks here. Okay, guys, so thanks for watching. Like I said before, what we did here is I got spooked a little bit, but the boxes told me that over here, okay, we see market just trying to stop and not going higher. We see the imbalance shorts here, and the market was crawling down. I just I like to see vengeance in the
Long
tape
signal
and
and Q.
in
Long
the
signal ES.
before the breakout. So it's very complicated if you can go long here. Right now we see the high frequency traders pick it up. This was not a textbook trade, guys. This is just a trade, but it's in a good situation because price is going higher. Okay, we're in an uptrend, so this is just a correction, and all this selling is too far away. It needs to reverse. So it did reverse. Then we caught the long here, and we're gonna wait and see if we can catch another one. But it was an excellent trade, guys. You see to the tick, guys, over here. There's nothing that you need to learn more. Here it is, all the information. We see the box here, market stopping. They say we don't want to go lower. Okay, so, and the tape confirmed everything along with the correlation dots. And that's it, guys. That's it. That's all that you need to know. Just wait for the reaction at the ATRs. That's all that you need to understand for trading this system.